Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, we're gonna show you guys how you can fix TikTok direct message option not showing. At first, you have to come on your profile in TikTok, then click on the three dots. After that, go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you see report a problem. So click on that. After that, you have to scroll a bit down until you see direct messages. So click on that. And then say direct messages is not available. And there it's gonna say all of this and say no. So you say need more help, and then you have to click hey TikTok, I'm over 18 but my direct message option is not showing, please fix this, and then click on submit. Once your account is reviewed, it's obviously going to fixed and your message option will automatically be shown. This is for the video. Thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.